Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ben from ProFixer, and I made a little video on how to remove safely the batteries from a MacBook. I've seen tons of different techniques ranging from floss to isopropyl to acetone to remove these, but the quickest and easiest way and very safe is going to be using freeze spray. You can spray it at a slow speed under the edges of the battery and use a tool that's very rigid and strong, like the back end of a tweezer like I'm using here. Definitely want to use something that won't jab in to the battery, and but will also give you enough prying power to be able to lift that battery out. But basically, you freeze the adhesive, it gets brittle, loses its adhesion, and then the battery pops out of the housing. Super simple, super safe, and super quick. Each of the larger batteries take right about a minute. The little edge batteries that are smaller, they take right about 30 seconds or so. So a very quick process. You can get this battery out in 5 minutes or so. Hopefully y'all found this useful, and you should try it out because it's super simple. But subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos like these, and I'll catch y'all later.